Hello, in this video, I want to look on a Fotor Pro application that is web-based, so you don't need to install any application on your computer or laptop, whatever. So you can access from your iPad, your mobile devices if you need it to create the art. And what I want to do, it is work just creating YouTube, actually Facebook. Let's go ahead with Facebook cover. We're going to create just with the libraries and what we have inside the Fotor, so we can see what we can do. You notice right here I'm logged in, and if we're going to create new work tab, we'll open, we have some recommendations, and right here already preloaded formats for us, which is kind of nice. Of course, you can create your own, or you can like edit or whatever existence, or create some other ones, but I think we'll just start using templates for now. So we're in the design, we'll go to use it Facebook, and you can see it's right here preloaded for us, Facebook design. On a template, we have a very nice, very large collections. I think it can go on quite a bit of the already pre-made, or kind of give you inspirations, or even you can use the as template. And use that template very easy. You just click on this and it's well loaded. But we're going to use from the blank what we have at this time. Okay, let's start with the background, and I'm going to click on a background icon, and let's preview what we have right here. So after winter, we have all these different warmers. Let's go ahead and create something warmer look on this case, maybe holidays, and I do like actually this one. So let's go ahead, drag and drop. So we'll just click on this, and right here we have our background already assigned. So the next we want to add some elements of the foreground, and we can do this if we're going inside the stickers. So you'll notice right here we have a lot of big collection of different stickers, and you know what, I don't know how many even actually they have it. So we can scroll through all of this, find different names. If you want it, you can just search, and let's go search for summer, see what they have with the summer here. Okay, it's taking a bit time to review, but there's our summer stickers. Okay, some, I don't know why. Oh, there you go, I love summer. We have our shirts. And with these stickers, we easy can just drag and drop. I don't know if I like this. Let's go look on the dogs. There you go, I like better with the dogs. Okay, so let's go ahead. And we'll just, all what we need to do, just grab and drag, put it our dog inside here. Okay, let's go right there, or dog, rocking dog. Let's scale, take a corner, just put it up. You know what, maybe backdrop does not work for this. Let's go back to our backdrop. And for this one, let's maybe try different, this backdrop. Kind of look okay. And let's look different backdrop, how that will look. I made that one actually maybe look even better. So I want to kind of keep it in art what we have it. And of course, we have it all these different ones. The one problem I found out, it is so huge collection that you can easily get lost and spend hours and hours just to play around. So sometimes you can just tell yourself, okay, that is good enough. Let's go continue, keep on doing. But I think I'll go back to this one. Yeah, I like that rock. Okay, so we have our rocky dog here. Next, we'll go back to our stickers. And nice things about stickers, if we go back, we also have different shapes. We can use custom shapes, basic, and image shapes. So I don't want to use any images, what we have right here. We'll just go look on the basic shapes. And you know what? Let's just maybe try to grab one shape, kind of find a shape like right here. We'll go increase and we'll put on a corner. And the reason I'm putting on a corner, if you know with Facebook, right around here, it's where will be our profile image. So I kind of want to add a little bit more point to this. Okay, we created this, and let's go with the coloring, and we'll just add golden color. Just example, so if we want to create more as a stamp, this is a little bit different one. We'll go increase that. Now we have two colors. We'll set one this color and another one's red. So I think that one has actually worked better. I like. So we'll go delete it with key delete, and we'll just put it right around here, you know, maybe even bigger. Yeah, let's do like this. Okay, the problem is it's our dog cover, so we'll go to layers and move down our one layer so that our dog is kind of invisible. Okay, there you go. Next, kind of fun, but I think let's go add some message maybe to this. We'll go inside the text, and let's go just normal. We'll just go click and edit text right here. Okay. There you go. Vladimir Chopine. Okay, let's go to expand. You know what? I don't know if I like the font. So let's go ahead and see what font we have. And we have the, well, problem is again, we have a lot of selection. It's a huge selection of the fonts. Now let's go see what we can find. This one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll pop up maybe to about 104. Let's see how big this one will look. And you know what? Sometimes hard to select. So instead select there. We can also scale our font. So I'll go like around here. There you go. Just put it my title. Now this, I think, still be a little bit something missing in this corner. So let's go ahead, just for fun, put it cat. Let's see what we can find with a cat here. And we have all these different cats. Now even we can go and drag this cat, put it in there. Yay, I'm scared cat. No, but style does not matching, so we can look on different type of the cats, so it's matching our effect. We can do this one. Okay, oops. I'm actually, let's delete this and go back to the stickers from my album. We have other ones. Oh, this one could be interesting. We just have whiskers, so we just need create eyes. So let's go ahead and at stickers again, sorry. We'll go from the cats and let's make our eyes. We'll go to make eyes with the shapes. And let's preview, see if we have some other shapes, or we can also just eyes. Let's see if we find any eyes there. Okay, we have it. Ooh, that is creepy eyeballs, so we don't need those ones. This one maybe work. But I don't know, it's kind of cartoonish, and this eyes is not necessarily cartoonish. Now we just, you know what, let's don't worry about this eye. Let's go ahead back and basic shape and make it our own eye. And we'll just make it circles. Okay, so let's go ahead about here. And we'll just go clone it. So we'll have two eyes. There you go. And let's go, you know what, clone again. Shrink, my eyes lost. Okay, there you go. Shrink down. Put it right here. Oh no, now we lost it. So let's go ahead, select one before and switch color to the white color. There you go. Okay. So we can do this way. Again, let's clone this as well and drag on this and change color to the white. There you go. Now we can play with eyeballs, make them crazy cat. Like right here. So kind of create funny faces. Okay, you know what? Let's see one more thing. So we have it with these shapes. I think we can actually create even eyebrows if we want it. So we can create one eyebrows here. You know what? Let's clone it. Hey, I don't clone it. Okay, where's my clone? There you go. There's my clone. And we'll just go and rotate this way. There you go. So now our cat have a little bit eyebrows, maybe one up, one down. We can play with different emotions on the face, or just create both like this. There you go. So here you go. We create with the shapes. We create basic face. Use it stickers. And how I say, the problem what I find out, they have so many, you just start spending a lot of time. But overall, here is some kind of fun things you can create it with Fotor Pro. you don't need it even any drawing skills, photography, any other skills. You can easily just open and browse with library. How I say, couple warnings I need to tell. The biggest one, collection is so large you literally can lose yourself in this. Okay, you can go around and spend a lot of times and all the stuff. The other ones is actually disclaimer. It is pay service, so you will need to use it or a free version or trial, or you need to purchase for this version. Does it worth it? It's up to you. Depend how much you spend. If you are very familiar and proficient with Photoshop and like to do your own art, like with illustrators and other things, maybe you can create by yourself. But if you're not that proficient, that definitely this work for you. You can also pay additional for the library. So in some cases, you're not just paying for the service, you're also paying for this clip art library, you're paying for all this styles library, you're paying for all this additional elements that they're using there. And by the way, when you're done with this, you can very easy just go ahead and save it. And as you save, you have it different versions. So we can save as local on your computer, as PNG, JPEG, whatever. You can also go ahead and just share. And when you're sharing, you can put it directly on a Facebook, you can put on a Twitter message, whatever you like it. And you have it your link to this image. So you actually don't necessarily can upload an image if you don't want it. So you have it multiple ways. Also, you can how to work with this. You work on art you created. So I hope you find this video kind of entertaining and fun to do. So I hopefully you encourage you to create some of your own art to update for the different platforms you want, social medias or whatever. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channels for more videos. And if you have any questions or other things, please post it in the comments. I will be happy to help you if you have questions, or just go over see what is some other questions maybe arrive related to the graphics, to the photography or 3D art, whatever is going on. Again, thank you for watching these videos, and thank you for your support.